Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her kindness and gentleness, but she often worried about her appearance. She would look at her reflection in the river and wish to be as beautiful as the flowers, birds, and butterflies around her. One sunny morning, Lily overheard a conversation between two birds. They were talking about an ancient legend, the secret of true beauty hidden in the heart of the enchanted garden, deep within the forest. Whoever finds this secret, chirped one bird, will be the most beautiful person in the world. Lily's eyes lit up with excitement. I must find the enchanted garden and discover the secret, she thought. And so, with hope in her heart, she set off on her journey. Along the way, she met many creatures of the forest, each offering her advice. First, she met a wise old owl who perched on a tall oak tree. Beauty comes from within, the owl hooted. It shines brightest when you are kind and humble. Next, she came across a playful rabbit hopping through the flowers. The rabbit paused and said, "True beauty grows when you share joy with others. A smile can light up the whole world." Lily smiled at the rabbit and continued on her way, thinking about what the owl and rabbit had said. After a long walk, she finally arrived at the enchanted garden. It was filled with the most wonderful flowers and colors she had ever seen. At the center of the garden stood a sparkling fountain, where the secret of beauty was said to be hidden. Approaching the fountain, Lily saw a glowing inscription on a stone. It read, "The secret of beauty is not in how you look, but in how you make others feel. Love, kindness, and a good heart are the keys to beauty that will last forever." Suddenly, the garden came to life. The flowers bloomed even more brightly, and the birds sang joyfully. Lily felt a warmth in her heart. She realized that beauty wasn't about how she looked on the outside, but the love and kindness she shared with the world. From that day on, Lily never worried about her appearance again. She became known as the most beautiful girl in the land, not because of her looks, but because of her kind heart. She helped the animals of the forest, smiled at everyone she met, and filled the world with happiness and joy, and so, the secret of beauty spread throughout the land. Everyone learned that true beauty comes from within, and the forest was filled with kindness, love, and smiles forevermore.